Well, hello and welcome back. We're continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 109. So let's start here. We've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 4 here. So 6, 8. 6 here. So 4, 8, and 4, 8. That means the only place our 6 can be is here. If we do this row, we're missing 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 9, and an 8 here, so 3, 9. So that means that our 8 has to be over here. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got no help here. So 1, 2, 6. We've got a 2 in this box. So 1, 6, 1, 6. And that means that our 2 has to be here. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 4 here. So 5, 8. An 8 here, well, an 8 covering this box, and a 4 there. So this is our 5, 4, and 8. If we finish out this box then, looks like we're also missing a 1. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 there. So 3, 9, a 3 there, so 5, 9, and a 3 and a 9 here. So that means this is our 5, 9, and 3. If we look at this column then, we're missing a 1 and a 6. And we don't have any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing a 1, 8, and 9. We don't have any help here. So 1, 8, 9. We've got a 9 covering this box and an 8 there. So this is our 1, and that 9 means this is our 8. So this is our 9. If we look at this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 5 here, so 6, 9, and 9 here. So 5, 6, a 6 here, and a 5 here. So that makes this our 9. So then this is our 6 and our 5. We look at this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so this is our 4 and our 6. For this bottom row then, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9 and 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing an 8, but that 8 makes this our 4 and 8. Oh, and this 9 makes this our 3 and 9. So if we look at this box, looks like we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1, 3 here, so this is our 2. But no help on the other 2. So 1, 3, 1, 3. But then if we look at this column, we've got a 3 here, so this has to be our 1. That makes this our 3 and our 1. And that 1 makes this our 6, 1, 6, and 1. So to finish out this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 there. So 7, 8. For this top row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here. So 9, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 3, 7. To finish out this box, we're missing a 3. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 4 and 9. And there we go. That's it for today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me again. Please do hit that subscribe button so that you're sure not to miss any more of these puzzles, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next one.